Good morning, I'm Martin from Mayday Heating, here to talk to you about the AQUABION water treatment device. This is the S15, which is on a 15mm pipe, 1/2 inch to 15mm connection, piece of cake, almost like a inline scale reducer, quite a lot better, and some earthing clamps. Now, a lot of people don't know about this product and they think, does it work? How much is it? Basically, that's their main issues with it. I came across this product because I had a customer that wanted to install a water softener because of limescale issues. They didn't have the room to put it, so I had to come across something else. So as a stab in the dark, because that customer was a family friend of mine, I said to him, I can't fit a water softener, there's nowhere to put it. So I put this in, stab in the dark, because I didn't know about it. I'd done a bit of research online, reviews on it are very, very good. Obviously the science behind it, does it work, does it not? Stab in the dark, installed it, does work. Customer said to me, it does work, because as a family friend, he's kept me installed saying, yes, the limescale has dramatically reduced, and he's kept it in his house. And from there, I've now continued to install AQUABIONs on the knowledge that I know that they do work. So, from an installer's point of view, you're not going to want to switch from a water softener to an AQUABION if you're not sure it works. I understand that. And you kind of you need to know it works. You like to hear reviews from customers. You like to hear reviews from tradesmen. So that's where, as a tradesman, I'm telling you it does work. Look online. There's loads of forums, feedback sites about this product that say it does work. So I came across it purely by chance because I had no other option. I had to put it in. Now, the water softener is proven, tried and tested, years old. If you want soft water, you have to install a water softener. However, if you've just got problems with limescale, then something like this would be a lot better. Now today, I'm taking out this device. You can see there's a lot to it. I'm taking that out and I'm putting in this. You can see the dramatic size difference. So for people that are not sure about the product, if you come across a device like this, where you haven't got the area to put something else, there isn't room under the kitchen sink, try an AQUABION, by all means. Now, the difference between this and a water softener, where it matters most to the customer, is it's basically that big. There's no wasted water, there's no electricity, you haven't got to find space under the kitchen sink, you haven't got to use salt, so it's a no-brainer to me, really. Also, with water softeners, you're only supposed to have one tap that you can drink out of. You can drink softened water, that's fine, however, you're only supposed to have one tap, unsoftened, whereas with that, completely drinkable all of the time. Also, for installers with boilers, aluminium heat exchangers for example, don't like softened water, so you can't put a water softener in, whereas this, not a problem. So when you don't need wasted salt, electricity, space, etc, etc, the AQUABION can work out to be a hell of a lot cheaper than a water softener. Now there's lots of prices for different water softeners obviously, but the AQUABION has a life of 7 years. After 7 years, recommend replacing it. Now if we look at the cost of a water softener versus the cost of an AQUABION, then it's, even with the cheapest water softener, over 7 years, with wasted salt, electricity, wasted water, you're looking, that is going to be at least, minimum, half the price over a 7-year period, minimum. So not only does it not take up room, does not waste electricity, water, etc, it can also go in very, very small places. It's easy to manage, plug and play, job's done. So now I don't fit water softeners unless they want soft water. If they just have limescale issues, they fit one of these. Now the exact science behind it, I don't understand because I don't work for AQUABION, but it's got zinc sacrificial anode and that alters the chemistry within the water to make the limescale non-adherent. So the limescale and all the other minerals are still in the water, but it means they don't stick to taps, plate heat exchangers for example, where it matters most to installers. So whereas a water softener alters it differently by adding sodium to the system, this alters it in a different way and does the same job basically.